The plucking is so neat. The hairstyle is already there. Edges are curled. The hair is separated. And you guys know I didn't have to glue the entire thing down. This part is completely glueless. This is the best glueless wig I've ever received. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kiannamoracia. If you're new here, then welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back. Today we have one of my favorite installs ever. This is a glueless wig from Alipearl hair. This wig already comes with a hairstyle. It comes in a braided half up, half down style. And the wig is HD lace and it's also glueless. The wig comes with everything you need. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It is, y'all, this wig is amazing. It already comes with edges. I have not been so excited for a wig in a very long time. I'm so excited to share these details with y'all because I wanted a glueless wig for the longest that already had a hairstyle and I could really just wear fresh out the packaging and it looks like I got my hair done. Like, it doesn't look like I put a wig on. It looks like I got my hair professionally done. This is what the wig is looking like. Super duper full, and already through the packaging you can see the craftsmanship that went through in making this wig. The hair already comes braided with some curled edges and the plucking is insane. I didn't even take the mesh off yet and you can already see the quality of the lace. This is real HD lace. This wig is beautifully constructed. Shout out to Alipearl for sending me this and allowing me to showcase it on all of my platforms. I feel like it's worth every single penny and I'm going to be sharing more details on this hair with you guys today. Not a single knot is left in sight. They bleached this wig to perfection. Plucked it to perfection. It is styled and laid down. This style is not going nowhere. I really love the way they constructed this wig. And did I mention that it's super duper full? I think mine is either 20 inches or 22 inches. The wig is so full, and as you can see, the style is already molded into the hairline. You could take it out if you want to though, but this is super duper perfect for my girls who've been wanting a glueless wig but also want that hairstyle. They still want to feel like a bad bee, so I'm gonna show you guys how I got it. Usually I don't talk in the beginning of my videos, but I just have to, oh my goodness. Like, do you guys see this? They really did their thing, okay? They ate down. The plucking is so neat. The hairstyle is already there. Edges are curled. The hair is separated. Already comes, you know, bone straight in the bag. That doesn't have that little dent or anything. This wig is really the best ready to go wig that I've ever seen. Like, I know a lot of wigs be like, okay, they're ready to go, but do they come with a hairstyle? Do they come ready to just put on and go to the function in 5 minutes? This one comes with a hairstyle and it just has everything that you need. Like, the plucking is so neat. They did an amazing job. It is HD lace. I'm so excited to put this on. I got 15 minutes to get out the house, so we're about to rush through this and put this wig on our heads. The wig also has an elastic band in there, so I'm gonna go up and just adjust that because, you know, I want this wig to be real snug on my head, don't get me wrong. So I'm gonna adjust that. This looks pretty good to me. And then, you know, that part fell out, so I'm gonna just put it right back in the middle right here. Like, this is how it looks on skin. Can we just, yeah. So I'm taking my Kiss Colors and Care lace tint. This is an amazing lace tint for wigs, glueless wigs especially. It is so fast drying. It dries instantly. I got it in the shade medium dark brown. It will be in my Amazon storefront. And then this is what the wig looks like after it is tinted. Where's the lace? Where is the lace? Because I don't see no lace, do you? So now I'm just going to flip this like so. I'm gonna put this part outwards and then I'm gonna put this over my head like so. Hold the wig down and then pull this to the back. Ooh, okay. All right, and now we're gonna have to figure out how to bring this to the front because okay, all right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she is taking it. Oh yeah. Just secure that in the back right there. Put my ear down. Get these parts out and ready to go. Y'all, the wig isn't even glued down yet. Like, there has been nothing done to this wig but just getting that part put down. You feel me? And it definitely does the job. This wig is so freaking gorgeous. She's eating. She is eating. Let me get my rat tail comb. This is gonna be an interactive install. Y'all gonna go through the process with me. Let me get my rat tail comb and just, bro, it's so thin that you can see my ball cap. Like, that's crazy. Dude, that is so crazy. Okay, so just for some final touches at the edges, what I did was I cut the little side piece right there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side because it is a little bit longer than my ear and we don't need that. So I'm gonna just cut that off like so, and then put this behind my ear like so, and then pull it over so it fits. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my Dola hair melting spray, and I'm gonna just put that right at the edges. I'm only putting that at the edges just to make sure that they actually stay down, because I'm going to a cookout and it is hot, very hot. I'm actually going to my boyfriend's family cookout, so I'm gonna pull this down like so, and then I'm gonna just wait till it gets a little bit sticky actually. But for now, while that's happening, I am gonna try and take some spritz and comb these edges in to the rest of my, and then I'm sticking that down with the edge of this little comb that I got like so. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of powder that is my foundation shade just to cover that up. And then this is the full detail of the hair. Let's get into it. And you guys know I didn't have to glue the entire thing down. This part is completely glueless. This wig blends so good. It is HD lace. Mine is 22 inches or 20 inches, I believe. 180% density, pre-bleached, as we saw in the beginning from those beautiful, beautiful knots. Pre-plucked, they get, I don't know, they did an amazing job at plucking the wig. It is pre-plucked and they really just took their time and handcrafted it. It did not look sloppy. It looks very neat and it's not over-plucked. They did an amazing job making this for a beginner, and it's also pre-cut so that way it can fit your head perfectly. You don't have to go through the struggle of accidentally cutting too much. Comes already straight out the packaging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I definitely did. This is the best glueless wig I've ever received. It comes with everything for real, and it comes with a style, so it does not look plain. This wig really does, it meets every mark. I feel like it is worth every single penny. The lace quality is amazing. I really do love Alipearl. I've worked with them one other time in my career, and they've never missed. They have never missed, and their HD lace is real HD lace. So make sure you go copy one. If you're interested, the details will be in the description box below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.